In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set prefer non-blinking cursor on iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here I scroll down until I see accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I'm scanning through the options until I spot motion. When I see motion, I tap on it, and that takes me straight into the motion settings page. Alright, now that I'm on the motion screen, I'm heading toward the bottom of the page. I'm just scrolling down slowly, keeping an eye out for the setting labeled prefer non-blinking cursor. Once I reach the bottom section and see it, this is where I can adjust the setting. At this point, I tap the toggle next to prefer non-blinking cursor to turn it on. The change happens immediately, so there's nothing extra I need to confirm or save. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stays enabled and everything looks right. Now I'm backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens, and that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open settings, go into accessibility, tap motion, scroll to the bottom, and toggle prefer non-blinking cursor on or off. If I leave it enabled, I'll spend a second navigating around just to feel comfortable with the change before moving on. It's easy to return to this same spot later if I want to switch it back, since the path remains the same every time. And that's all there is to it. So you've now turned on the prefer non-blinking cursor setting on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to find and adjust whenever you need.